Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford F150 door code. Having a personalized code for your keyless entry system offers both convenience and improved security for your truck. We'll walk through the simple steps to change your code, ensuring you can always access your vehicle easily. This guide will help you update your system, whether you've forgotten your old code or just want a new one. Before you can reset your door code, you'll need the original factory set 5-digit code. This crucial code is often found on a wallet card within your owner's manual packet. If it's not there, check for a sticker on the body control module, typically located behind the passenger side kick panel. For newer models, you can sometimes retrieve the code by cycling 2 programmed keys in the ignition, which will display it on your dash screen. Once you have your factory code, programming a new personal code is straightforward. First, enter the factory 5-digit code on your F150's door keypad. Within 5 seconds, press the 1-2 button. Next, enter your desired new 5-digit personal code. To save it, press the 1-2 button again. The doors will lock and unlock to confirm your new code is active. You can program up to 5 personal codes. If your new code isn't working, simply re-enter the factory code and repeat the programming steps carefully. To erase all personal codes, enter the factory code, then press and hold the 1-2 button for 2 seconds. The doors will confirm the reset. Remember, the factory code always remains active. For a quick tip, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. If you encounter persistent issues, your Ford dealership can assist with diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.